How to send disappearing photos on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually send the disappearing photos on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually send the disappearing photos on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat app. Now there isn't a separate button for disappearing photos, because what happens is Snapchat itself is a disappearing platform, right? So basically what happens over here is that Snapchat was built to exchange disappearing photos and things. So to send to one person a disappearing photo, just tap on the camera icon. Now do not send in chat, because that will disappear only after 24 hours. You can send them as a snap. So when you send them as a snap, right after that, whenever you send them, it will get sent as a particular disappearing photo. Right after they view it, they will not be able to see it anymore. So this way you will be able to send disappearing photos on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.